We're out and about. It's our sixth day in Vietnam, third day in Ho Chi Minh. Is it? Nakatulog kami ng mahaba. Nagising kami alas 10 na. So, ayan na yata. And currently 11:30 AM here in Vietnam. 1 hour behind Philippines and Singapore. So, ang taas ng araw.
Real. Did you bring sunscreen?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Okay. And we're going to Bentan Market. So, ito na siya, ang Bentan Market. Just a 2-minute walk from our hotel. Local market in Ho Chi Minh. It's like a wet and dry market, but also have tourist stores. Bakit ganito yung pinapabili ni Brother John? Spices, no?
Mamaya.
Coffee and tea for you also. Cashew dry mango. Have a look, please.
Souvenir items. Also have coffee, nuts, dried fruits.
Masarap kape ate. Nung anak mo, okay?
Ito daw yung pinakasikat na money changer dito sa Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, Hatam. May pinakamagandang rate. Just outside the Bentan Market lang siya. Pinakamagandang rate, exchange rate. So, 1 Singapore dollar is 18.85. So, $18,850 dong. This is the Bentan Market. Ano ba yan?
Nabibili ni Brother John. Pang ano yata yan, yung sausawan sa
Salt shrimp
sibuyas.
paste.
Ay, sa
Mangga?
mangga, tsaka sa guava.
That one is small.
You have a big one?
Oh yeah, how big you want?
No, you have a bigger
Bigger bottle?
bottle?
Yeah, I have it, but I have. Okay, this is the smaller size and this is the bigger size.
Oh, not you don't have this. Okay, like
It's like slim like this. No, never have, but basically same thing as shrimp sauce used for fruit.
Okay,
Yeah.
give me the big one.
The big one. The big one is gonna be 100.
No discount, ha?
Discount already.
Gusto mo yan? Japanese coffee. Ito.
Yan ba yun?
Oh, yung binibili natin. This one, brother, how much is this?
Start from this one is gonna be 250.
Wow, so much.
Hey, this is the cheapest one already. This one is around 6.
Oh, hello. How much is it?
This one is 250 gram. Yeah, so 250 gram. The cheapest one we're selling is gonna be 250. But if you're looking for cheaper, the set like this only 100 gram. I can't do that. Because the
250 only.
Where's the mall, right?
250 gram.
How much is this?
The mall, right? No, I don't want to go to the Chris Mall. with all the statics and everything.
What?
I don't want to go there.
Where?
Want to let you know,
It's like a sky.
one box, one
Again?
bag 2 kg, or 2
gonna
bags, 5%. If you buy 3, it's going to 10%. Buy 4, it's going to be 15%. So we're going to offer you by the quantity.
Okay, I asked because my friend is the one asking me. That's why I buy first.
Yes. Whenever you need. Actually, if you have free time, you get my code. So you might be stick card. Whenever you need.
Yeah, bro.
We also have coffee, tea, confectionery, cashew nut, and pistachio. When you come to Vietnam, pistachio, you should grab some pistachio because the price right here is going to be cheaper than Philippines.
Yeah.
Philippines.
Pistachio is expensive.
It is.
How much is it? 100, right? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Maganda araw po.
Bye!
You vlog that?
Yes.
Welcome to Vietnam, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, kanina pa siya hindi naka-on.
Thank you.
Good price. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa atin. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I give you
Walang phone. Walang phone. May noodles eh.
Go to McDo, buy rice.
Kanino to? Sa'yo? Sa'yo to, no?
Sorry.
Ikaw lang, ano sa'yo?
Malayo.
Okay. Ako pala.
And guess where we are?
You
We
just said
are in Uniqlo. Let's see. Quick Uniqlo run. Quick Uniqlo run.
on the top.
Because Daddy needs to buy a pants for our flight to Korea tomorrow. Let's see where he is. Daddy, where are you, Daddy? Daddy, Daddy. Daddy, Daddy. Where? He is. Don't know. Don't know. I know. Tita Cha. Saan sila? Doon, sa tulo. Oh, saan ang punta?
Hi!
Hi.
to?
Hi for the vlog.
Hi guys.
We're going to?
Warren.
Italy's first sponsor.
Museum. And there is a long queue. $40,000 dong for one adult and 20,000. Make you are anak. Scan lang yung code and makakapasok ka na. Okay, just for photo ops.
Jolly, beep, 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 beep.
Hindi ka na makita, tutok na tutok ka. One, two, three. Okay, one more. One, two, three. Ano lang niyang inabot yung cellphone niya sa akin. Heavy? Tree. So ito ay isa tank. It's a M.48 A3 tank weighing 47.2 tons.
Maximum speed is 48 kilometers per hour.
This one is a CH-47 Chinook.
Pasok tayo sa loob.
Bell made of 5,000 pounds bomb canister. Oh. This bell is made of 5,000 pound bomb canister. So that's a bomb. That's a bomb.
700.
I think that's the head of the bomb.
Then Daddy did this.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Cafe apartment. There's a lot of coffee shops here. If you're wondering why we're here na, you know.
2,000.
May fee? May bayad yung elevator?
3,000.
For entry? Ay, babalik pala?
Moi je suis avec le deuxième, soit aujourd'hui, même troisième, tu peux faire la pièce. Vous voulez prendre un cadeau?
3,000. Cannot have elevator party, babe. Party at the elevator. Cannot.
Ano ba tayo?
6.
Ano ba?
The Letter Cafe.
Saan tayo? Diyan tayo? O dito? Ah.
Oh, is ano oh.
Doon? Doon?
Ano siya oh? Yung anong tawag dito? Yung yan. Yung sewing machine yung table. Okay, here's the menu. The Letter Coffee. Okay, special drinks. There's have wine, beer, food. Set meals, special set. Okay.